If you're in the market for a high-performance floor cleaner that can handle both wet and dry messes with ease, the Tineco Floor 17 Pro Smart Cordless Floor Cleaner might just be the solution you need. This advanced cleaning device is packed with features that promise to make maintaining spotless hard floors a breeze. From its innovative MHCBS technology to the smooth power bi-directional self-propulsion system, Tineco has designed a floor cleaner that stands out in terms of efficiency, ease of use, and smart technology. The Tineco Floor 17 Pro is aesthetically pleasing with its sleek, modern design. The cleaner is lightweight and cordless, making it easy to maneuver around your home. The build quality feels robust, with durable materials that suggest longevity. One of the standout features is its dual-sided edge cleaning capability, which allows you to clean right up to baseboards and into corners, ensuring no spot is left untouched. At the heart of the Tineco Floor 17 Pro is its MHCBS multi-head cleaning and brushing system technology. This feature ensures your floors are washed continuously with fresh water while efficiently recycling dirty water at a constant rate of 450 times per minute. This continuous flow system means that you're always cleaning with clean water, significantly improving the hygiene and effectiveness of your cleaning sessions. This is particularly beneficial for households with kids or pets, where cleanliness is paramount. One of the most impressive features of the Tineco Floor 17 Pro is its smooth power bi-directional self-propulsion system. This technology detects the movement of the rear wheels and assists you by providing propulsion in both forward and backward directions. This makes the cleaner feel almost weightless in your hand, drastically reducing the effort needed to clean large areas. Whether you're pushing forward or pulling back, the cleaner moves smoothly, making the task much less strenuous. The Floor 17 Pro excels in both wet and dry cleaning tasks. It is particularly effective at tackling sticky messes and pet hair, which can be challenging for many traditional cleaners. The wet dry vacuum system ensures that all types of debris are picked up efficiently, leaving your floors spotless. The dual-sided edge cleaning feature ensures that even hard-to-reach areas like corners and baseboards are thoroughly cleaned, leaving no area overlooked. With up to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge, the Tineco Floor 17 Pro offers ample time to clean large spaces without interruption. The Tineco iLoop technology continuously adjusts the power and water usage, optimizing the cleaning process and extending battery life. This intelligent adjustment means you'll spend less time refilling water tanks and recharging the battery, allowing for a more seamless and efficient cleaning experience. Maintenance is often a chore with many floor cleaners, but the Tineco Floor 17 Pro simplifies this with its thorough self-cleaning cycle. After each use, the device automatically deep cleans the brush roller and tubing, ensuring that the cleaner is ready for the next use. This hands-free maintenance is a significant time saver and ensures the cleaner remains in optimal condition. Additionally, the centrifugal drying process effectively removes water from the roller, preventing mold and unpleasant odors and maintaining a hygienic environment. The Tineco Floor 17 Pro is designed with user convenience in mind. The cordless design and lightweight build make it easy to carry and move between rooms. The intuitive controls are easy to understand and operate, even for those who are not particularly tech-savvy. The cleaner's ability to maneuver effortlessly around furniture and tight spaces adds to its appeal, making it suitable for homes of all sizes. Being a smart device, the Tineco Floor 17 Pro comes equipped with various smart features. The iLoop sensor technology not only optimizes battery and water usage, but also provides real-time feedback on the cleaning process. An LED display shows the status of the cleaner, including battery life, water levels, and maintenance alerts. Additionally, the cleaner can be connected to a smartphone app, allowing you to monitor its performance, receive notifications, and even troubleshoot issues. Conclusion: the Tineco Floor 17 Pro Smart Cordless Floor Cleaner is an impressive piece of technology that makes floor cleaning both efficient and effortless. Its combination of innovative features, smart technology, and user-friendly design make it a standout choice for anyone serious about maintaining clean, hygienic floors. Whether you're dealing with everyday dust and debris, sticky messes, or pet hair, this cleaner is up to the task. The self-cleaning and drying processes ensure that the device remains clean and odor-free, enhancing its longevity and performance. If you're willing to invest in a high-quality, smart floor cleaner, the Tineco Floor 17 Pro is an excellent choice that will make your cleaning routine significantly easier and more effective. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.